Okay, question 4. Okay, the point A, B, and C lies on the plane pi, and a straight line passes through those 2 points P and Q. So the first question is to find the vector AB and vector AC, and then AB cross AC, hence obtain the Cartesian equation of the plane pi. Second equation is to find the vector equation of the straight line L, and the third question is to find the acute angle between the straight line L and the plane pi. Alright, so we do the first question, which is to find the vector AB and AC. First, from we know we have a plane pi, and on this plane we have 3 points, which is point A, point B, and point C. So we want to find vector AB. So AB is just a line or a vector that connect from A to B. So this is vector AB, and then we want to find the vector AC. This means the vector from A to C. Right, so to find AB, we can use this formula. This is equals to OB minus OA, where OB and OA is just the position vector for the point A and point B. So point B is just negative, is 4, negative 2, 3, and point A is 2, 3, 5. So we subtract those value, we get 2, negative 5, negative 2. So that is the vector for AB, or that is 2i minus 5j minus 2k. Right, so we get the vector AB. Vector AC, so the same, is just OC minus OA. So OC is negative 207 and OA is 235. So we subtract those value, we get negative 4, negative 3, 2. Or this is equals to negative 4i minus 3j plus 2k. So we already have vector AB and AC. Okay, so we can use vector AB and AC to find AB cross AC. So to find AB cross AC, we will use the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. So the first row is IJK, the second row is vector AB, which is 2, negative 5, negative 2, and third row is negative 4, negative 3, and negative 2, which is vector AC. Alright, so to calculate this is just like to calculate the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. So the first one we get I, negative 5, negative 2, negative 3, 2, and so on. We get this equation. So we can, so for I we have negative 8, negative 10 minus negative 6. So negative j times 4 minus 8, k times negative 6 minus 20. And we simplify this, we get negative 16i plus 4j minus 26k. So this is AB cross AC. Alright, so we already have AB cross AC, and next we need to find the Cartesian equation for the plane pi. Alright, so to form an equation, or to form the Cartesian equation, we must start from the vector equation first for the plane. So we know the formula for the vector equation of the plane is r dot n equals to a dot n. Okay, so we need a and n. So a is just a point on the plane. So we have three options to be our a. So let's say I choose point A to be a, and you can use also point B and point C to be A. Alright, so I choose point A to be our A, vector A, and then we need n. N is a vector that is perpendicular with the plane. So we know that by multiplying or by doing the cross product between AB and AC, we get a new vector which is perpendicular to the vector AB and AC. And we know AB and AC is parallel to the plane, so that's mean AB cross AC is perpendicular with the plane. So we can use n as a vector AB cross AC, which is negative 16i plus 4j minus 26k. We already have vector A and n, so we just substitute those vector into the vector equation of the plane. And at the right hand side here, we need to calculate the dot product here. So if we calculate, we get that is equals to negative 150. And we can change this to the Cartesian equation just by change ijk to xyz. So we get the Cartesian equation of the plane pi is negative 16x plus 4y minus 26z equals to negative 150. So we're done with the first question, which is to find the Cartesian equation for the plane. Alright, so second equation is to find the vector equation of the straight line L. Right, so we have a line, and on the line we know there are 2 points on the line, which is point P, which is 2, 8, 9, and also point Q, which is 5, 6, negative 4. Alright, so to form the vector equation of a straight line, okay, the equation is R equals to A plus TV. We need A and V, where A is a point on the line. So we can either choose P or Q to be our A. So let's say I choose point P to be A. So A is equals to 2I plus 8J plus 9K. Alright, and we need V. Okay, V is a vector that are parallel to the line. So if we connect point P to Q, we get a vector PQ. And the vector PQ is parallel with the line. So vector PQ can be our vector V. Okay, so we can find PQ, OQ minus OP. So OQ is 5, 6, negative 4, and P is 2, 8, 9. So we subtract those value, we get 3, negative 2, negative 13. So V is equals to 3I minus 2J minus 13K. So we already have A and V, so we can substitute A and V into the vector equation of the line L. So we get R equals to 2I plus 8J plus 9K plus T times 3I minus 2J minus 13K. So we get the vector equation for the line L. Alright, so now we already have the equation of the plane and also the equation of the line. Alright, so third question is to find the acute angle between the straight line L and the plane pi. Right, so to find the angle, we can use this formula. Alpha is equals to out cos V dot N over magnitude of V times magnitude of N. Okay, where N is just the vector which is perpendicular to the plane, which is negative 16I plus 4J minus 226K. And from the line, we need the vector which is parallel to the line, which is V, which is 3I minus 2J minus 13K. So we will use these two vector N and V to calculate the acute angle between the line and the plane. Right, so we need V dot N. So first we calculate V dot N. So V dot N is negative 16 times 3 plus 4 times negative 2 plus negative 26 times negative 13. And if we calculate this, we get the value is 282. Alright, so we get V dot N. And then we need a magnitude of V, which is just a square root of 3 squared plus negative 2 squared plus negative 13 squared. And this equals to 182. And also the magnitude for vector N, which is 948. So we just substitute this value into the formula of alpha. So we get alpha is out cos 382 over 182 times 948. So if we use calculator, we get this value is 47.24 degree. But this is not the angle between the line and the plane yet, because to find the angle between the line and the plane, we need to subtract this angle with 19. So theta is equals to 90 minus alpha. So 90 degree minus 47.24, we get 42.76. So this is the angle between the line L and the plane pi.